How to see past posts on Instagram. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see your past posts on Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open Instagram and click on your profile here at the bottom right corner. You will be redirected to your profile. You can scroll down and view all of your posts that you have made in past. But let's say if you have archived any post and you're not able to see them over here, you're going to click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. You'll be redirected to settings and activity. Here, you're going to click on archive and you'll be redirected to the archive section. But right now we are on stories. In order to switch to posts, you're going to click on stories archive at the top and click on posts archive. And you'll be able to see all the posts that you have archived before. So in order to unarchive them and show them on your profile, you're going to click on that and click on the three dots over here. And here you'll be able to see an option that says show on profile. Simply click on that and you'll be able to see that post on your profile again. Now let's say if you have deleted a post and you wish to recover that. So you're going to click on your activity over here, scroll down, and you'll be able to see an option that says recently deleted. So if you have deleted any post in past 30 days, you'll be able to see them listed over here and you can recover them from here. So that's basically how you can see past posts on Instagram. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.